Escape mode can be a slight inconvenience. Users might find themselves unintentionally blocking the sensor, especially when the device is docked on the Magic Keyboard. This design choice, while minor, could potentially disrupt the seamless user experience that Apple devices are renowned for. In conclusion, the 2022 iPad Air with its M1 chip is a potent blend of power, versatility, and elegance. It offers desktop-level performance in a portable format, a stunning display, and improved Apple Pencil support, which all contribute to an enhanced user experience. The sleek design and USB-C connectivity further add to its appeal. However, potential buyers should be aware of the limitations in terms of storage capacity and the additional costs associated with essential accessories. The placement of Face ID could also be a minor inconvenience for some users. Despite these drawbacks, the iPad Air stands as a robust contender in the realm of high-performance tablets. It embodies Apple's commitment to delivering superior design and functionality, making it a compelling choice for those in need of a powerful and versatile tablet. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive review of the Apple 2022 iPad Air with M1 chip. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and tech insights.